Are you having trouble finding the model or serial number on your side-by-side refrigerator? If you ever need to locate the model number or serial number, it's very simple to do. On most side-by-side models, the model and serial number are located on the inside of the refrigerator. Simply open the refrigerator door, and on the upper left wall you will find a label with the model number listed there. You can also locate the serial number as well. If confused between the two, model numbers generally start with a letter, while serial numbers normally start with a number first. And that is how to locate the model number of your side-by-side refrigerator. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please contact your LG Electronics Service Center. Thank you for using LG refrigerators.